Now let's do a little sound bleed test. First I'm going to start off with the XB950BTs. I'm going to do 2 tests on each one. I'm going to do it at half volume and then max volume. Alright, here we go for the XB950s. This is mid volume. Max volume. Alright, here we go. UFOs at mid volume. All the way up. Damn. Alright, here we go with the UFO Pluses at mid volume. All the way up. Whew, y'all gonna make me go deaf. Last but not least, the Victories at half volume. Alright, here we go, turning it up. But look, I ain't never claimed to be an expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, man. But before I go, I'm gonna need y'all to tap on that like button and smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.